What's up and welcome back to High's Hive. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a watercolor effect. So let's get started. You will need some sketch pens, some water spray, and some papers. You will also need self-adhesive, or you can also use a plastic cover. Now, take your favorite colors of sketch pens and start scribbling with them on the self-adhesive sheet. Do this on the smooth side. As you can see, I have used all the colors I wanted. Now take your spray bottle and spray some water onto the colors. Next, take your paper and place it on top of the colors. Gently press down on the paper and spread the color. And now, lift the paper. You can see that a watercolor effect has been made. You can do any colors of your choice. This is how mine turned out. Now keep it aside to dry. My paper has finished drying and this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna write a quote. Be the best version of you. I'm gonna be writing it in calligraphy. So first I'm just tracing it with my pencil. Now, I'm going to take my pen and write the quote with it. Here is the final result. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Bye!